Hi, this is Rob with Aquavita Pools, and here today with another short video, this time introducing a new product that we just got in that I think be beneficial to a lot of our pool customers. So today we're going to talk about vac pulse. Everybody's got one that has an in-ground or above ground pool. You know, it's traditional, most of them are blue and have what we call some form of a cam lock. You know, you untwist this part and then it extends out, you tighten it down and it locks it in place. So pretty good, pretty standard. Been around for ages, but sometimes, as you know, they get stuck. You know, then you're out here, you got to get a big pair of channel locks. Maybe you got arthritis, you're a little older, you can't get it undone. You're having to use channel locks to break it free. You know, it's just kind of a hassle. So saw this new product, decided to bring some in, and basically what it is it's the same kind of deal. You know, your basic net, brush, everything clips into it, back head, same hole pattern, everything. So your attachments will attach, there's no problem there. And instead, it's got basically like a push button deal. So you just push down with your thumb, and then it locks in 1 foot increments. And so if you have, you know, some of that hard, you know, your cam gets stuck all the time, you're having a hard time breaking it free, you know, this is something that's going to be, you know, a lot easier for you to use. You know, you just push in, pull out, it clicks, locks in place. It goes in like, it looks like about, you know, 8-inch increments, and you're going to be able to use it just like you did your other pole, you know, but it's going to be, you know, a lot easier as far as on the wrist and things like that. So it comes in the 8 foot to 16 foot model. And then we have a smaller version, which actually goes about the same length, and it has a double push button. So push here, and then you can also make it go a little bit longer there. So maybe you got like a smaller above ground, or maybe like a swim spa or something, you need a little shorter pull. And it's also going to be a little bit heavier gauged aluminum. So when you pick it up, compared to like the blue poles, which we still sell in the store, you're going to feel the weight difference. So it's going to be a little bit beefier, a little bit more resistant to bending. And we just got them in. So come check them out in the store. I think you guys will like them.